Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing a Berkey water purifier filter. What is it called on it? Water filter and purifier. Got some extra accessories there too that were got separately that I'm going to also unbox. Okay. That's it. Okay. There we go. There's the lid. Oh, that's interesting packaging. Little hairnet for the lid. Top compartment. Whoa. Let's make a mess of everything, shall we? It's the bottom. Alrighty. Instructions. Here's the spout. And these are for the extra holes. I'm not going to be using this spout. I have a different one here. That is stainless steel, I believe. Yeah, that'll be better. No plastic one. So there's that. And this goes right on the base of the bottom part. Let's put that up there for now. How does this open? Am I stupid? How do you open? No, it opens like that. Alright. Here's the filters. They have to be primed, which is what this little guy is for. I'll do that later. Oh, they are going to get shit all over my white table. Oh yeah. Okay, so these little things are to plug the holes we're not going to be using because I have 2 sets of filters here and there's holes for 4 and I'm not going to be using all 4, so those have to be plugged up. Directions. Guess I'll put on the spout first. Come on. This piece goes on first. And this. That goes there. Inside. see down in there? Okay. I guess that's it. I also got, these are the fluoride filters, which you can get separately. And these go on the bottom, on the inside. These also come with one of them. Anyway, that comes with one of those too, because they also need to be prepped before you use them. But what I can do is put these stoppers in the holes I'm not going to be using. I don't know if it specifies a direction, but I'm just going to put them in here. So I'm just going to plug up the 2 holes I'm not going to be using. And this one. And there we are. So there's that. And then we can get the lid prepped, which I need a screwdriver for. And then grab a screwdriver. Grab a screwdriver. Alright, so that just goes on there like so. Flip her over. And struggle. And there's the lid.